Dear viewers, I hope you are all fine. This ultrasound video shows a case of leaked appendix. You can see the area of scanning is the right iliac fossa. The patient is a female aged about 13 years. Appendicitis is a painful swelling of the appendix. The appendix is a small, thin pouch about 5 to 10 centimeter, that is 2 to 4 inches long. It is connected to the large intestine where poo forms. Normally, nobody knows exactly what the appendix does, but removing it is said is not harmful. You can see the first you will have to focus the ascending colon, and then you will scan further downwards towards the right iliac fossa, and you will see the sigmoid colon. Not all people will have the same symptoms. It is crucial that you see a doctor as quickly as possible. According to John Hopkins Medicine, the appendix can rupture as quickly as 48 to 72 hours after the onset of symptoms. Now you can see in this area, by sweeping the probe around this area uh, surrounding the sigmoid colon, you can see a tubular structure. Now you will see the whole length of the appendix. The transverse view of the appendix, and you can see a significant amount of fluid is seen around the appendix, as this fluid has been leaked from the appendix. Consensus dictates that main etiology of the appendicitis is obstruction secondary to fecalith formation within the lumen of the appendix in adults. Other uncommon causes may include parasites, undigested plants or fruit residues, trauma, and foreign bodies. A hard stony mass of feces in the intestinal tract is called fecalith. A fecalith can obstruct the appendix, leading to appendicitis. Fecalith can also obstruct diverticuli, also known as coprolith and stercolith. It is also called appendiculith, where it occurs in the appendix. Now you can see the appendix, but this appendix is partially compressible as the fluid has leaked out of it. So this is partially compressible, otherwise the inflamed appendix is not compressible. It is now you can see a significant amount of fluid in the area surrounding the appendix. If you want to focus the appendicitis, you will choose a high frequency probe, that is high power linear probe. You can see a tubular structure in the right iliac fossa surrounded by a hypoechoic rim. This is the transverse view. Now you can see a small amount of fluid surrounding the tubular structure. Now by sweeping the probe, you can see a longitudinal view of the tubular structure. Both ends of the tubular structure are blunt. By applying some pressure with the probe, you can see this structure is not compressible, but as in this case the fluid has leaked, this is partially compressible. Again, you can see the fluid Appendicitis happens when inside of the appendix is blocked. Appendicitis may be caused by various infections such as viruses, bacteria, and parasites in the digestive tract, or it may happen when tube that join the large intestine and the appendix is blocked or trapped by stool. You can find some important information in the description of this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. If you do like this video, please click the like button. Thanks.